Good morning, everyone, from Santiago de Chile. I'm walking towards the downtown part of the city right now. So I'm staying in the Bellavista Neighborhood, which is about a 20-minute walk from downtown. Check out the views here. It's a very residential area. A lot of like bars and restaurants. About a block from here. So I'll film a little bit of the way down to the central. Check out these murals on these restaurants over here. So it's a very colorful neighborhood. I think this is like one of the main nightlife areas of the city. So over here is where there's like a bunch of clubs and bars. So here's the main road in Bellavista. There's a lot of restaurants, bars, nightclubs, apartments. It's kind of dead right now, but I think at night is when it really gets going. It's called Harvard. I'm leaving the Bellavista neighborhood, crossing the bridge, and check out the river. Pretty murky water, but there's a very modern movie star skyscraper that way. That should be about 10 minutes from downtown now. So I finally got to the Bellas Artes. Check it out. It's a very nice, big, beautiful building over here. I think it's a museum, so maybe I'll go inside in a little bit. But there's a view of it. Yeah, Museo de Bellas Artes. We should be pretty close to the Plaza de Armas now, so I'm gonna head that way over there. So here's a view of the Bellas Artes from the other side. On this side it says Academia de Bellas Artes. Looks like it's a art museum as well. Here's a pretty cool statue. Like an elephant horse. Oh, it says caballo horse. Nando Botero is the artist. So I finally made it to the Plaza de Armas. It's like a protest going on here in front of a government building. It's like it's some kind of a labor protest, blah blah blah. Here's the National Historic Museum right there. I believe that's got to be a government building. They're protesting over there. The cathedral is right over there. Pretty impressive. I'll do a walk around this Plaza de Armas to see what else is over here. Looks like that museum is free, so I'm gonna go in there in a little bit, check it out. And here's the Correo Central, what's that, a post office, I believe. Here's the Cathedral. Let me walk to the middle of this plaza. I'm gonna try to go in there as well. I think I can. Like some kind of a fountain. That was pretty much it for the plaza, so I'm going to go into the either the church or the museum. So here's the Cámara de Diputados. It's a very impressive looking building. I think I can get in there. Try to get a better view right here. So here's another impressive looking government building, the Tribunal de Justicia. Some kind of government justice building, but very big. Here's the Cámara de Diputados, I believe, from the side. I'm in Paseo Huérfanos in downtown Santiago. Very lively street. I'm gonna walk down this road for about 5 minutes, but here's a view of it from here. Like a shopping center area. To the Cerro Santa Lucia. Now I'm climbing up to the top. I think there's a castle at the top. So here's the view. The entrance is right over there. I'll walk up this way now. That might be the castle straight ahead. So I'll head that way. Here's a view of downtown Santiago. This is the Castillo Hidalgo, but it's closed today, so I can't go inside. Looks like it was a military fort built in 1814. I'm gonna head over to the watchtower toward Mirador, see if I can get a good view of Santiago. It should be this way. So I think I gotta go up there. So hopefully it's not too many steps. It's a very hot day today. It's all like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you come to Santiago in January, be prepared for the hot weather. Yeah, so these are the stairs right here. I'm gonna start going up. Hopefully it's not too bad. Here's a good view, Santiago. The mountains in the background are very impressive. It reminds me of like Nevada a little bit. The sky looks really, not very clear today. All right, it's just a little bit left to the top. Check out the view. There's more stairs this way. Check out Santiago. It's a massive city. Mountains in the background, you can barely see them. I'm not sure if that's smog or it's just like cloudy today, but some days they're very clear. I'm gonna head up there. Looks like this is as far as I can go. See if I can get it. It's locked over here. There's the watchtower right here. Here's a view of the other side. It's a massive city. There's a cable car straight that way. I'm going to try to go there either later today or tomorrow. I'm actually staying in that area. I think it's near Bellavista. I'll try to do that. Check out the view. I went up a little bit higher. There's a little bit more to go.